Hello, my name is Manny Kagan. I am a president of Pacific Bay Financial, one of the oldest mortgage brokerage companies in the Bay Area. So I've been in mortgage business for 40 years, long time. And recently I published a book called Retirement Solution for Smart People: How to Accomplish Financial Comfort. When people getting in a retirement age, often they still live in a reality which was before retirement. They spend money or they don't accumulate enough money. So comes moment in their life when they need something to live on and it's nowhere to find. I come across this situation for many years and I wrote about them in this book and basically how reverse mortgage can help them. I'm going to share with you three cases, which I'm just one is finished and two I'm working currently now. About November, I received a call from a woman who told me that I got a reverse mortgage for her uncle. And this woman, she's in her 70s. She has a mother whose age is 99. Mom lives in her own home, but because of her medical condition, she's getting 24 hours in home support. This costs 19,000 a month. As long as mama is alive, they have to come up with the money. They exhausted, they always about being exhausted all the resources. In other words, by January 1st, there was no money. I started working on the loan, and finally, it took a while because there are some issues, family issues. We're able to secure her loan. We're able to get her line of credit for 711,000, which means that simple arithmetics, it will last for about 3 years. Who knows what will happen then? But at that time, maybe you'll be able to refinance again if there will be a need. But she, by January 1st, she drew 57,000 for 3 months. So in January 1st, she was able to write a check to the provider of the service. I had relief because for me it was so important to help them. Then there was another case, completely different in the nature, but also involving reverse mortgage. Um, I have a real estate agent, a friend, who referred me to his client who owns commercial building in downtown San Francisco. During the corona, it was vacant. So, and they had a mortgage with commercial bank. And this mortgage, like most commercial loans, they're due. In other words, it has to be paid off or refinanced. But because they didn't have any income, it was practically impossible. When I met with them, idea was that I'm going to help them to get new commercial loan, which we could not, or it didn't make sense. But then I asked them, are they own their own home? They said yes. They said, let me help you. And because they had good interest rate on the first mortgage, this wasn't reason number two. Reason number two was that I could get them more money, which we needed more, by getting them reverse mortgage second. And we start working with this. And it's again, challenges. So we almost done. We just waiting for appraisal to come in to determine how much money they can get. But it was solution. Reverse mortgage on their own home will give them enough money. They have existing second mortgage. It will pay it off. And then they'll give enough money to pay the bank for a year. During this year, they hope they'll be able to sell a home. There's a conventional building for a price which they wanted to get, and it was a solution. For them, it's a solution. What will happen in a year? If it will happen, I don't know, but I'll deal with it then. Then I have another client who came to me a year ago. A year ago, she was referred by another client of mine, and she was at that time she was 84, and we were talking about getting reverse mortgage like a regular case, woman at her age, she has limited income. And then when I gave information about reverse mortgage, she wasn't comfortable. She decided to go back to the bank, which had line of credit. She has line of credit, she didn't have mortgage, and they offer her based on her income even less than she had. Okay, she came back. Now she's ready. Now her income is 1,800 new income from Social Security. When this is not enough, and she has to make payments under this line of credit, when this is not enough, what she's doing? She's drawing more money from line of credit. So basically, your income is your Social Security plus this line of credit. Of course, it doesn't make sense. So we started working, putting information together, and as it stands now, she will going to be able to receive over 500,000. We decided to use one of the options to divide it into two loans. She'll be able to receive about 270 this year as a line of credit, and now she'll be able to use it when she needs it. But she decided to take the whole amount, put it in her bank to be sure that she has the money. So now she's 86. No, she's 85 this year. 85, her Social Security 1,800, and she can live and enjoy the rest of your life. And this is how it is. This is what those mortgages, reverse mortgages do. And this is why I've written this book. And I expect from you to enjoy it and share it with others. Because our motto of our company, I don't know you can see it. Motto of Pacific Bay Financial, we're here to help others. Thank you.